Gracious God, as the morning light breaks through the darkness, I offer my heart in gratitude for the gift of this new day. Thank you for the breath in my lungs, the strength in my limbs, and the warmth of your love that surrounds me. I acknowledge your presence in every moment, in the gentle breeze that whispers through the trees, in the bird song that fills the air, and in the beating of my own heart. I am grateful for the beauty that surrounds me, the blessings that fill my life, and the promise of a day filled with possibilities. Guide my steps today, Lord. Lead me towards your purpose, your will, and your love. Help me to see the world through your eyes, to find joy in the simple things, and to offer kindness and compassion to all I encounter. Fill me with your peace, Lord, and give me the courage to face the challenges that lie ahead. Let your light shine through me, reflecting your love and grace to all around me. Amen.